Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really handy for all you iPhone users out there. We're going to show you how to use NameDrop on your iPhone to effortlessly share your contact information. It's a fantastic tool that can save you time and make networking a breeze. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. In iOS 17, there's a new AirDrop feature that lets you exchange contact information with someone by touching two iPhones together. It's called NameDrop. Rather than type in the number of someone new to call or text them so that they have your number, NameDrop allows you to simply hold your iPhone near their iPhone to swap contact details. Before you try to NameDrop, you have to set up your name card. For that, open Phone app, tap on your name card. Go for Edit. Add your phone number. Add your photo. And go for Done. Now all you have to do is bring your iPhone near to another iPhone like this, and the contact information will be automatically shared. Apple is also using an intuitive animation to confirm the transfer of contact through the NameDrop feature. And sharing a contact using NameDrop will fill the screen with a beautiful animation. I am in love with this beautiful animation. And there you have it. Using NameDrop on your iPhone to share your contact information is quick, efficient, and incredibly convenient. Whether you're networking professionally or just sharing your details with friends, this app can be a real time saver. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or want to see more tech tutorials like this, drop us a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.